Yeah, so this is my 1992 Orange Clockwork, originally sold in the UK. Drop bar conversion with the Velo Orange stem. Got our rat trap pass from Errands, 26 by 2.3. Really comfortable ride. Got clear spits all over for a 1x8 build. Very limited range, but it's okay for just getting around flat parts of Toronto. Love the orange crank bolts. I think that really goes well. Got a Blackburn rack. Need to cut the stays. Canty brakes, but hey, they work. What more do you need? This thing's been seeing me around town quite a bit, so I'm definitely enjoying it. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, well, I guess I could get a little bit of the front end Friday going on, right? So there you go. And a little bit of the rear here as well, so you can see that those tires.